The market theme sentiments are bouncing back from yesterday's brutal sell-off. The positive catalyst easing Middle East tensions. Iran indicated that its military operation against Israel had concluded, while Donald Trump expressed optimism about progress toward a deal with Iran, easing fears of a broader regional conflict. Our call of the day. This Tuesday morning, the sunshine seems to be making a request for some rain. धूप ने गुजारिश की, एक बूंद बारिश की. If Middle East tensions continue to cool, the market's focus could swiftly shift from geopolitics to the progress of the monsoon. Bottom line, as oil prices cool and geopolitical fears fade, all watchful eyes could soon be on the incoming rains. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Monday's volatile session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 55-56 crores, while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 51-65 crores. Sentiments are likely to be neutral for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive breakdown on the downside. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 and 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked near 17.03 levels. At last check, USD INR, June, was trading firm near 95.68 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th June, is at 1.03 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.90. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.82. Midcap Nifty is at 1.02. Nifty outlook an up and down session on cards. Caution remains the preferred strategy. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,123. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 22,900 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 23,551 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22,900 and 23,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 73,524. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 73,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 74,770 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 73,100 to 74,100. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 54,064. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 52,783 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 55,000 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,600 and 54,600. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. The benchmark Nifty ended Monday's trade on a cautious note and at its 2-month low. Investors largely took the RBI policy outcome with a pinch of salt, focusing instead on the central bank's higher inflation forecast, lower GDP growth projections, persistent FII outflows, and geopolitical uncertainties. Please note, Iran war just completed 100 long days. On the technical front, Nifty is way below its 21-day, 23619, 50 DMA, 23685, 100-day DMA at 24380, and the 200 DMA, 24,949. The biggest headwind. 1. FII selling in June has crossed the 36,670 crore rupees mark. Total FII outflows in FY27 have surged to a massive 1.63 lakh rupees crore, keeping sentiment fragile. Stocks in spotlight. Stocks closed in green. 1. EMS, plus 10.35%, 321 rupees. EMS surged after the company announced that it has emerged as the lowest bidder, L1, for a sewerage infrastructure project awarded by UP Jal Nigam, Urban, Varanasi. The said order value is 102.84 crore rupees and it will executed within 24 months. Stocks closed in red. 1. Bandhan Bank, minus 1.05%, 202 rupees and 91 paise. Bandhan Bank fell despite announcing that it has opened 8 new branches across Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi and Haryana, taking its nationwide branch network to 1,984. 2. TCS, minus 2.16%, 2,151 rupees. Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, announced that it has signed a multi-year transformation and managed services agreement with Canada Life, a leading global life and pensions insurer. 3. Adani Ports, minus 1.05%, 1,805 rupees. Adani Ports said it has secured a 10-year marine services contract for Argentina's first liquefied natural gas (LNG) export, marking its entry into South America and expanding its international marine services footprint.